truck team, come with me. A bridge needs to be built here to enable vehicles on both sides of the river to pass through quickly. Truck team, I'll count on you. You can count on us. Super truck team, let's get to work. I am the excavator. You can leave the task of digging for bridge construction to me. To tighten the steel wire with the handle. Let's piece the bridge deck model together with steel bars first. Hook to the lift bridge deck for assembling.
I am the concrete mixer, and I will complete the task. Let's concrete the bridge deck.
I'm the road roller. Let's compact the road to make it level. Use a marking machine to draw neat white lines on the bridge deck. Once the concrete is air-dried and solidified, pour white paint into the marking machine.
Enjoy game.
Truck team, the bridge you have built is so amazing.